I'm Michael Gurney. I'm a prosthodontist at Boise Prosthodontics. The most fun thing that I get to do is ultimately help people smile again, eat again, and live again.
I'm Dr. Christopher Jones, and I work here at Boise Prosthodontics in Meridian, Idaho. A smile and the ability to eat are so very important. And here at Boise Prosthodontics, for a lot of patients, it seems and feels like the end of the line. And a lot of times patients come here looking for hope again, a way to smile confidently, a way to be able to eat again.
When I came to Boise Prosthodontics, I had a missing tooth, and it was one of my smile teeth that you can see when I smile. And so I would cover my mouth when I talked or keep my mouth closed, and it made me really self-conscious. And I wanted somebody that fixed it, that I trusted would do the best job. I came here and saw Dr. Jones, and he made me feel comfortable about the process. His assistants made me feel comfortable in the fact that I was missing a tooth so that I didn't have to feel embarrassed while I was here. The process took a while, but they gave me all the information that I would need and helped me understand each step as it went. When they finally gave me my tooth, I was so happy to smile again and feel like my old self and confident. So that's what I loved about coming to Boise Prosthodontics.
The beauty of our office and the type of training that we have is we can take pretty much any individual in any circumstance, in any scenario, and find a solution for them.
So one of the things that I really think sets us apart from anyone else is that we have a full service in-house laboratory. What does that mean? It means we have a team dedicated to working with us and our clients, fabricating the best restorations or teeth possible. It's not very common to have that, but it allows us to have a close eye, improve the precision, fit, and ultimately function and longevity of the prosthetic teeth that we deliver to our patients. I'm excited to have the opportunity to meet you and see if there's something that our team and expert lab and expert dentists can do to help you receive the care that you're looking for.